As fleet manager, you're always looking for new ways to cut waste from the budget. Well, here's a good one for you. Now you can stop buying, installing, and replacing plug-in modems from your service provider. With 4 data services, your telematics service provider can get the data you need directly from your Ford vehicle's embedded modem. So if your vehicle is equipped with an embedded modem, it's time to pitch the plug-in. We understand that it may make sense for you to build your own telematics solution or to subscribe to one from a third party. And with 4 data services, you don't have to sacrifice the quality of the vehicle data you pump into it. As the engineers of your vehicles, we know your Ford and Lincoln vehicles best. When you activate your modem, we can apply this expertise to extract your vehicle data from a sophisticated network of sensors and processors built into your vehicle to help you better manage your fleet. Our embedded modem is integrated and can't be unplugged, knocked loose, or misplaced. We generate manufacturer-grade data, including vehicle health data such as remaining oil life, tire pressure, engine temperature, battery voltage, and sensor faults. Driver behavior data like harsh braking and accelerating, excessive idling, seatbelt alerts. Vehicle data including an odometer reading, remaining fuel, GPS location. And you can have the confidence that your data is encrypted and secure. Plus, with an intuitive set of APIs and instructions, we make it easy for your chosen telematics provider to integrate with your Ford Data Services subscription. So, if your vehicle is equipped with an embedded modem, it's time to pitch the plug-in. Visit commercialsolutions.ford.com to get started, activating and directing your vehicle data to the telematics provider of your choice.